November the 4th, you can just avoid that, because that's invalid. Okay. Yeah. Fucking day one, but oh my god, that's the start of a bad day, I'll tell you right now. Day one. Syrup? Oh, that's some syrup. Sex money, murder, these. Well, there's some bread in there. Let's see if we can put on bread in here. It's jelly. It's a jelly sandwich. Jelly toast. Oh my god, we just fucking came up with something. We're gonna be fucking rich. We're gonna be rich. You thought that was my mind blown? That was just my headache getting fucking stronger. It was in this freezer. Uh-oh. I think we done broke into a whole another chapter of life. I am. I poured hot water over my patties and